Good morning, children. Children, this is your English period. So, I would request everyone to kindly take out your English reader books and get ready with the session. Children, we have already read the chapter. I hope you understood the chapter, and we have done hard words and word meanings of the same. So, today we are going to do the book exercises. All right. So, children, open page number 34 and we are going to continue with the exercises of the chapter Sikkim. So, the first exercise says fill in the blanks with the correct words given in brackets. So, you have to fill in the blanks with the options. Two options are given and you have to fill it with the correct option. So the first one is dash is the capital of Sikkim. So since children we have already read the chapter and understood it, so these all fill in the blanks are related with the chapter. Okay, you will get all the answers from the chapter, and also options are also given, so it would be easy for you to fill it. Okay, so dash is the capital of Sikkim. Children, you already know what is the capital of Sikkim? Gangtok. Okay, so you have to tick it and then you have to fill it also. Number second fill in the blanks is the third highest mountain in the world is the, so beta third highest mountain in the world is Kanchenjunga. Okay, so you have to fill it also. Don't just take it, fill it. Children, Everest is the world's highest, okay, mountain peak in the world. Okay, Mount Everest is the world's highest peak in the world, and Kanchenjunga is the third highest. Okay, and second highest is K2. Okay, so first highest is Mount Everest, second highest is K2, and third highest mountain in the world is Kanchenjunga. Number third, a famous drink of Sikkim is Chang. Okay, so take it and write it. Number fourth, the people dress up in bright colored costumes, mask, dash, and sparkling jewels for the famous mask dance. So what is going to come in this blank? Swords. Okay, this statement is written as it is in the chapter. You can see it here. The people dress up in gaily colored costumes, masks, and swords. Okay, so the fifth, first you have to fill it also. Fifth blank is dash based dishes like thupka, chow mein, wontons, and faktu are common in Sikkim. So noodle based dishes are famous in Sikkim, not macaroni but noodle based. Okay, you have to fill it. Children, these all 5 fill in the blanks. I hope you understood. And moving to the next page, open page 35. So here we have to write the antonyms of the following words. Okay, children, above there are question answers we are going to do in the next session. Okay, and first we will do the antonyms and then we will do this rearrangement of the sentences. All right, so let's quickly fill it all the antonyms of the words. So first is big. The antonym means opposite words. Okay, Synonym means similar. Antonym means opposite. So we are going to read out antonyms. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. All right. Antonyms means opposite. Synonym means similar. Okay. So for example, weak is the antonym of the word strong. All right. Children, this word weak also came in the comprehension part in the half yearly exam, right? You might have remember. So the first word is big. So opposite or antonym of big is small. Second word is day. The opposite of day is night. Children, you can ask me on the WhatsApp group if you have any doubt in antonyms or synonyms or in the fill in the blanks. Number third is friend. So opposite of friend is foe or enemy. Both are correct. Okay. So foe means also enemy. Or win, opposite of win is lose. The fifth word is sharp. Sharp का opposite है बेटा blunt. Sixth word is black. The opposite of black is white. Opposite of tall is short. And opposite of quick is slow. So children, write down all the antonyms in the book itself. Do not copy down the fill in the blanks or the antonyms in copy. You have to do it in the book itself. All right. So coming to the B exercise, that is, we write the following sentences after correcting them. So children, these 6 sentences are given incorrect. Okay, this is not true about the state Sikkim. So here we are going to cut down the incorrect word and write the correct word or the statement below. So the first sentence is Sikkim is an island. So children, this statement is incorrect. It is not true. Sikkim is not an island. What is an island? Beta, island is a land which is surrounded by water from all the sides. Right? Island क्या होता है? Island is a land जो चारों तरफ से from all the sides it is surrounded by water. But Sikkim is not an island. Sikkim is a state. All right. Sikkim is a landlocked state. If you want to write Sikkim is a landlocked state, that is also correct. Or if you want to write Sikkim is a state, you can also write it. Okay. Landlocked means that is covered by land from all the sides. Okay. Number second sentence is River Kaveri is the lifeline of Sikkim. This statement is false. This statement is incorrect. Not River Kaveri, but River Teesta is the lifeline of Sikkim. You have already studied in the chapter that River Teesta is the lifeline of Sikkim. Which river flows in Sikkim? Teesta. Okay. Number third is momos are served with parathas. No, this statement is incorrect. Momos are served with soup. Okay. Number fourth is Mumbai and Goa are some of the neighbors of Sikkim. No, Mumbai and Goa are not the neighbors of Sikkim. Who are the neighbors of Sikkim? Bhutan and Nepal are some of the neighbors of Sikkim. Fifth sentence is diet of the people of Sikkim is purely vegetarian. No. Correct the sentence and write non-vegetarian. Okay. Number 6 is Sikkim is one of the largest states of India. No. Sikkim is not the largest states of India. It is one of the smallest states of India. So here all the 6 statements were incorrect. So I had to strike out the incorrect word and then write down the correct word. Okay. So in this session we have completed 3 exercises. Three exercises. First one was fill in the blanks, second one was antonyms, and third one is rewrite the correct statements. Okay, so you all the three exercise you have to do it in book itself. So children, I hope you understood the exercises, and in case you have any doubt you can ask me on the WhatsApp group. Okay, and question answers we are going to do in the next session. So thank you so much children, and stay safe.